router.
This is already plugged in.
The IP address of the router is 192.168.0.1.
And then we're going to
And then
go on booking.
we have a switch, and the switch have an IP is
And then serial
192.168.0.2,
again.
and we use the subnet mask of 255.255.255.248. And then the PC, we have an IP address which is 192.168.0.4, and the other PC is 192.168.0.3. And then first we have to console the router and the PC.
You can see
So
this.
we will do
Whereas
this.
the router and then
We have to
cable.
plug this in the serial port.
Video terminal. Router 1.
So we have a console this. So you have to
Red banner.
plug this. So after you console the switch, you can configure it. So you have to PATI and then go to the serial. After
Then
the
we're
serial,
going to
open.
the light console.
As you can see, we have the
Light console 0.
here. So for the switch, we have enable and then configure
And then the password.
terminal. So we have the global, and then we have to
And then
enable secret
And then 90 gigabytes.
password. So and then the service password
And then the
encryption.
password
encryption. For the password, it can hidden
Then we're going
and
to
not
log in again. And then exit. And then we're going to
password.
And
And then after that, you have to have a banner MOTD, which is warning. And after that, you have to go to the line console 0, and the password we will use is Cisco, and we have to log in and then exit. So we will move to the line VTY. So line VTY 015, because it has a 16 ports. And then password again, we will use a Cisco for that general password, and then log in and then exit. So we have a switch. So as you can see, we have a switch, the host name, and then we will change it to the host name BSU. So as you can see, it has a the switch host name, it changed in the BSU, and then we will use the interface VLAN 1, and then the IP address we will use is this. We have to copy this IP address, and then we will copy, and then the subnet mask is 255.255.255.248, and then no shutdown. Go. So we will go to the router. So for the router, we will use this console again. After that, we have to go to the PATI. After that, we have to put the serial. So as you can see, we will do again the configuration. So as you can see, it has a router, and then we have to enable, and then the config T for the configure terminal, and we will change the host name router. We have a host name again, BSU1, and then we will go to the service password encryption for the encrypted password encryption, and then enable secret class, and then we will go to the line console 0, and then the password we will use again is Cisco, and then log in, and then exit. So we have to put some password in the line VTY 0 to 15, and then password again Cisco for the line VTY 0 to 15, and then log in. After that, you log in, you have to exit.
Go.
You have to exit this one. So as you can see, it has a password. We will not include that password, and then we have to close it. Then okay, so we will input this plug TP cable for the switch. So we will so as you can see, it has a orange light because it is not configured yet. Then we have to focus this. And then so we will put some IP address with this PC. So we will go to the Open Network and Internet settings. So we have Ethernet. So as you can see, we have an Ethernet here. So we have a related settings. So we will just change adapter option. So we will right click this, and then properties. So we have a many categories with this Ethernet properties. So we will choose an IPv4 for the static. So use the following IP. So we will use we will use this IP 192.168.0.4. So we will put some 192.168.0.4, and we will check again if it is correct. So our IP address is correct, and the subnet mask is 255.255.255.248. So just click OK. Next this. So I will connect with this USB cable for this PC. Plug this, and then we will plug this and on for the switch. So as you can see, it has a orange light, and then the last one that we plug is it has a green. So let's move on to this PC. So we will put some IP address for the static, and we will use 192.168.0.3, and then we have a subnet mask of 255.255.255.248. Let's okay with this, then okay, and we will ping if it is already function. Ping 192.168.0.4. So it's ping. So we will put some IP with this PC. So then we will use on static routing. We have to change adapter option. With properties, we have many categories with this Ethernet properties. We will choose a IPv4. So the subnet mask we will use is 192.168.0.4, and the subnet mask is 255.255.255.248. So we will check for the, so as you can see, it is correct. So we will click OK and then OK. So let's move on to this PC. So we will check an IP address again for this PC. So change adapter option, properties. So it has an IP address here. So let's click OK and then OK. And then you will CMD, and then we will ping the PC to this PC. So IP ping 192.168.0.4. So as you can see, it's ping statistic for 192.168.0.4. It has a packet sent is 4 and received 4. So our loss is 0 because it is functionally working. So it's very easy to do on static and routing for the switch. And I hope you enjoy this video, and thank you and bye.